What's up, my Balm and subscriber squad? What's happening, party people? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, guys, I'm going to make this one as quick as possible because it is 9 o'clock at night, and I am tired and ready to go to bed. So today, we have the long-awaited Ipsy Glam Bag X with Khole Kardashian. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box right here, baby, stay right there, boo, because we ain't going to be long. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hello, guys. As I said in the intro, I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and today we're doing the Ipsy Glam Bag X. So I'm excited to see what I got. I know what I didn't get, and that's that Charlotte Tilbury product. So if you got it, drop down in the comments and let me know that you got it and how you liking it, because I didn't get it, y'all. But I think I got some other good little things. Before we go any further, guys, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now, I don't have a drink, so I'm starting to turn that into a bad little habit, y'all. I've been working out, trying to get fit, so I haven't been drinking much alcohol, but, you know, y'all take a dance break, and a drink break. Ooh. All right, let's get some specs on this little box right here and unbox it. This one is the Ipsy Glam Bag X. This is a every 3-month box. So is that, well, I don't know what that's called. But this one retails for $55, my loves. I do pay for this with my own money. We're supposed to get 8 items in this box. I think 3 of which we can customize ourselves, which I do love that feature. And the value is supposed to be $300+ every 3 months. So I'm very excited about this box. I loved my first one, and I'm hoping that I'll love this one. So yeah, boo, without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Hey. Oh, I do have a link down below, guys, if y'all want to sign up for Ipsy. We getting right on into the box cutter and cutting it. I ain't opened it yet, y'all, but your girl is hoping that it's good. Alrighty, let's open this up. That's what we're looking like on the inside. We do get this little, I guess you call it like a little newspaper thing with Khole Kardashian. As I told you guys before, I ain't no fan of the Kardashians, but I wanted to see what Ipsy and Khole was gonna come up with. I was hoping for like bronzers and stuff to make your skin more tan, because you know the Kardashians live for that tan skin, boo. But I don't know if they got that. I don't know. But inside they do give us the products that we received, and baby, we're gonna jump right on in. So right here on top, guys, is one of my choice items, and it is an Ipsy cosmetic train case. It's a makeup bag right here. Now, I don't really know how I feel about this being a choice item when we get bags every month in our regular Ipsy Glam bag as well as the plus. So I don't know how I feel about this being a choice item. I mean, it's a cute bag, but I think that the box should come with a bag for $55, boo. I'm going to tell y'all that right now. So I don't really know how I feel about getting this as a choice item, but it is a pretty bag. I did choose it. So yeah, this is our first little product here, guys, and it's the Ipsy Cosmetics Train Case, and it retails for $18. Let me know if y'all chose that, and I want to know how y'all feel about this being a choice item. I think we should have got it for free. All right, so we just gonna keep up with the themes of the items that I picked first. Next up, I chose this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray right here. Now, y'all, I do really love this setting spray. It keeps my makeup in place. It's not the most makeup proof setting spray, but I love the mister. It's a continuous mist, and I absolutely love it. It does, look at that. Ooh. Yes, baby. It does, for the most part, hold my makeup in place, and I really like it. So I was excited to see this as a choice item. So let me see what this retails for. All right, so this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So this is a microfine mist that sets liquid or powder makeup with a radiant finish that means no caking or creasing. And this retails for $16, my loves. And you do get 2.8 ounces of product, and I do really like this setting mist. Love it. All right, so the last product that I chose comes from Sunday Riley right here. And this is the C.E.O. Vitamin C and Turmeric Facial Oil. I did choose this because I was intrigued and I wanted to test it out. You know, you do get 15 milliliters of product. Ooh, it smells like turmeric. It's very like a strong scent. I don't know, but I'm still going to use it. I do love Sunday Riley, and y'all know that boo, Sunday Riley is pricey. Let me read up about this little product. And this one is the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. I think I chose this because I want my face to be a little bit more hydrated. I don't remember. Anyway, y'all, so it says it's an ultra potent and fast absorbing facial oil that is packed with a cocktail of skin brighteners like vitamin C, turmeric, and ginger root extract, plus nourishing evening primrose to fade hyperpigmentation, even out your skin tone, minimize dullness and dryness as well. This retails for $40, and I love the color, and I am very excited to get this and to try it out. So, boo, we picked Sunday Riley. All right, so let's move on to Ipsy's choices for moi. I don't think Ipsy know me yet, y'all. I still don't think that they know your girl. I don't know. First up is from Rodial, and this is the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm right here. I'm not really sure why they chose this for me. It does have a seal, so I will not open it, but you do get 100 milliliters of product in here. I'm always happy to see a cleanser, but I mean, I don't know, y'all. Rodial is pretty pricey, but let's read up on this little product here. Okay, so on here, guys, it says it removes debris, excess oil, and even waterproof makeup. Girl, with this luxurious cleansing balm, it's infused with vitamin E, sweet almond oil, and rice germ oil to nourish the skin while you wash. This retails for $59, loves. Wow. So, I mean, I'm happy to see a cleansing balm. Would I have chose this for myself? Probably not, but okay, we'll give this luxurious balm a go-see. All right, so next up, they chose from MAC this Love Me lipstick in the shade Bated Breath. There we go, right there. And this is just a lipstick, right? Let's see. One swipe gives you the best of both worlds, long-lasting moisture and intense weightless color. It's a perfect warm pink brown shade and a satin finish. Ooh, I love the little bullet right here. It's very cute. And we have Bated Breath. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that color, guys. Let's put some on. I do like this. That's the color right there, loves. Beautiful. I'm excited for this. This I actually like. I love makeup, and this color is perfect for me. I'm looking shiny again. I am a little bit. Let's grab a little brush, girl. Give us a little dab or something. Ooh. All right. Okay, that's a little better. So this, my loves, retails for $21. And I do love MAC's lipstick. I never buy their satin lipsticks, but it is comfortable on my lips. And I love the color. So, all right, I'm happy with this. And then they chose from Anastasia Beverly Hills this brow pen right here in the shade dark brown. And y'all know your girl is trying to train these little brows I have because, girl, they are a hot mess. But I do love Anastasia's eye products, brow products. This is the dark brown shade here. This is the shade right here, guys. And I think that will definitely work on my brows. I'm excited to see this, and I'm excited to use this because I love ABH. And this right here, my loves, retails for $22. Okay. May know me a little bit, I'm thinking. Alrighty, so the next product they chose was from 111 Skin, and this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. This is an illuminator. So I think you could have gotten this one or the Charlotte Tilbury product, and I thought in the beginning everyone was getting a Charlotte product, but I see they chose this for me. I mean, I like 111. It's just really overpriced. And I really wanted to try the Charlotte product, but okay. You get 20 milliliters of product in here, my loves. Let's read up on this really quick. It says, this booster serum is your ultimate secret weapon for a dewy glow. It's full of rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to create a plumping effect, and a tiny light reflecting gold particles to instantly illuminate your complexion. Apply directly onto clean, dry skin or mix with a few drops of your favorite serum, and this retails for $135. Like, y'all, for that amount, look at that. Let's pull it out. Ooh, okay, it is very pretty. For that amount, it better like instantly work and make me look radiant. Like, there we go right there. I mean, I see a little bit of radiance, not $135 worth, but okay, boo, $135. And then our final product that Ipsy chose for me comes from Patrick Starrr Visionary, and this is the One Size Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I don't own anything from Patrick Starrr. I think this is like a new brand for him or something. I don't know. But I don't have anything, but I'm happy to see it. Babe, I think my palette is broke. Is it supposed to be lopsided like that? I don't know. Is it supposed to be like that? Let me open it. Oh, maybe it is. Oh, I think it is. Girl, okay, and we get a mirror, a big one. Look at that. Y'all can see that? Hey, boo. See the mirror? All right. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. So these shades are very pretty, y'all. Look at that. I love this pop of blue. They have a black, a brown. They have some nice bronzy shades. Oh, I do like this. I gotta swatch it. Let's swatch the black. Ooh, let's swatch the blue. Let's do the olive and walnut strut. Those are the 4 shades right there. And okay, I'm happy to see this little palette, honestly. Ooh, girl, look at the pigment, and there's still some left on my fingers. Okay, Patrick Starrr, boo, I like this. Okay, let me try a lighter shade, because that might, you know, the dark shades might just swatch good. Oh no, look. Okay, I am excited for this palette. Okay, let's see how much this baby retails for. I do like the packaging, even though I thought it was like lopsided, but I guess it's meant to be shaped like that. This retails for $42. Wow. Okay, loves, so that was our final product in this Ipsy Glam Bag X. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and then we're gonna be done. So we received this Ipsy makeup bag here. From Patrick Starrr, this eyeshadow palette. From Rodial, this pink diamond cleanser. From MAC, this lipstick. From Morphe, the continuous setting mist. From Sunday Riley, the C.E.O. glow. From 111 Skin, this Radiance booster. And from ABH, this brow pen. So these 8 products are right here, my loves. So the grand total of everything in my box came out to $353, okay? Final thoughts, I actually like this Ipsy Glam Bag X. I am quite impressed with some of these products. I do love this Morphe spray. I'm definitely going to try the ABH product. I'm going to use the makeup bag, even though I feel kind of salty about this being a choice product. The lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, and the Sunday Riley product. So that is 6 products out of the 8 that I'm very excited for. I'm going to definitely try out the 111 Skin as well as this cleansing balm. But I must say I am like pleasantly surprised. I am really like digging this box, y'all. Like, I really like it. I don't get Khole Kardashian in here. Maybe this Radiance booster, but everything else, I don't really get her. But I do like the fact that I got 3 makeup products and my Morphe setting spray, which I was out of. So, yeah, I'm happy. Like, I really like it, guys. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn river. To 5, being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? We're going to give Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of May a whopping 4. Like, y'all, I am pretty impressed with this palette. I'm so loving this lip color. I want to use the brow product. I'm going to use the makeup. I mean, I am just like excited. So y'all let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you got, and let me know if you're going to be getting the next one that's in June, July, August. Let me know. So yeah, guys, that's my rating, and that's all I got for y'all. I'm going to take this wig off, this makeup off, and get my ass in the bed. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you thought of my box. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please join and be a part of our family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of the links are down below, as well as Ipsy's link. And I am excited, guys. I'm pleased with the box. I'm so shocked. Y'all know how I be. So yes, my loves, until next time, next video, I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you all dearly. Please stay safe and healthy, guys. Bye.